Hi everyone, it's Crochet by Beb. Welcome to my channel. For this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this crochet stitch pattern. This pattern is a multiple of 8 plus 4 and a 2-row repeat stitch pattern. To start, make a slip knot. Insert your hook. Now you're going to chain a multiple of 8 plus 4. I'm going to chain 28. To start our row, we're going to skip 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then into the next stitch, work a puff stitch. So yarn over, insert into that 8 chain. Then grab a yarn, pull a bit up. Then we're going to do this 2 times more. Yarn over, insert, grab and pull a bit up. And another one, yarn over, insert, grab, pull a bit up. Now we have 2, 4, 6, 7 loops on the hook. So we're going to yarn over and then pull all into these loops. Then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to do this again. Puff stitch into the same chain. Yarn over, insert, grab a yarn, pull a bit up. Yarn over, insert, grab a yarn, pull a bit up. Yarn over, insert, grab, pull a bit up, and then yarn over all into these loops, and then chain 3 again. 1, 2, 3. Another puff stitch. Yarn over, insert into the same chain, grab a yarn, pull a bit up. Yarn over, insert, pull a bit up. Yarn over, insert, grab, pull a bit up. Pull, then chain 1 to close this puff stitch, so only chain 1 there. Now we're going to skip 3 stitches or 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, and then into the next chain work double crochet, yarn over, insert into that next chain, grab a yarn, pull through 2 loops and then 2 loops. That is double crochet. Then we're going to repeat this to make the puff stitch again into this next chain. We're going to skip 3. 1, 2, 3, and then puff stitch. Then chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and another puff stitch. So puff stitch is doing 3 times this yarn over pull, and then pull all that 7 loops, then chain 3, and then 1 more, then in here into this last or third puff stitch, you're going to chain only 1 just to close your puff stitch in there, and then skip 3. 1, 2, 3, and then double crochet. Then repeat again puff stitch, skipping 3. 1, 2, 3, and then puff stitch. Chain 3. Chain 1. Then into this last chain, you're going to skip 3. 1, 2, 3, and then double crochet into that last stitch. Then for the next row, you're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This chain 4 serve as your first double crochet. This chain 3 and then 1 chain. You're going to turn work and we're going to skip this stitch, and then jump in here into this chain 3 space and work single crochet, then chain 3. So we're going to chain 3, but take note here, you're going to make a bit loose your chain or your second chain to make a bit of a space for your puff stitches. So chain 3, chain 1, and then into your middle chain or second chain, make a bit loose, and then normal chain or regular chain in that first and last chain. And then next, chain 3 space, single crochet, then chain 1, and then double crochet into this double crochet or on top of this double crochet like this. Then we're going to repeat like this, chain 1, then single crochet into that chain 3 space, then make a chain 3, make a bit loose the middle chain, then single crochet into that chain 3 space, then chain 1, make a double crochet on top of that double crochet, chain 1, then single crochet into that chain 3 space, chain 3, then single crochet into that chain 3 space again, then chain 1, and then into the last stitch you're going to skip 1 chain here, and then into that next chain work your double crochet, then to the next row you're going to make a chain 3, and this chain 3 serve as your first double crochet to this row, and then turn work. And then now we're going to work again puff stitch. This time we're going to work in the middle of these 3 chains. That's why we made this a bit loose, the middle chain here. So we're going to work our 3 puff stitch in here. So yarn over, jump in here and work your puff stitch. Then chain 3, then puff stitch again, chain 3, puff stitch, only chain 1 in their last puff stitch, and then double crochet on top of the double crochet stitch, and then jump in here and work your puff stitch. So to end here, you're going to work your last double crochet into the 3rd chain, 1, 2, 3. To continue your stitch pattern, you're just going to repeat row 2, then row 3. So the row 2 is where you're going to work the chain 4, this chain 3 as your double crochet, and then chain 1 space, then turn your work and work your single crochet, and then chain 3, make a bit loose in the middle chain, and then single crochet, chain 1, then double crochet on top of the double crochet, chain 1, single crochet in the chain 3 space, chain 3, and then single crochet and chain 1, double crochet on top of your double crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 3, bit loose, single crochet, then chain 1, last stitch you're going to make your double crochet on top of your 3rd chain here, 1, 2, 3, and then row 4 repeats. You're going to chain 3, turn, work puff stitch in the middle of the chain 3 space, and then double crochet on top of the double crochet stitches, and then puff stitch again in that middle chain 3. Just keep repeating row 2 and 3 until you reach the desired measurement of your project. Hope you like this stitch pattern. It's very nice and beautiful with the puppy stitches between of double crochet. It will be nice to use it to make your next crochet project like shawl or scarf or lacy blanket, or with your next clothing project like a lacy cardigan or sleepover. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more crochet stitches. Maybe next video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make cardigan or vest sleepover using this crochet stitch pattern, because I really like it, how it look like. So hope to see you again next time. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, and you can always follow me in my Instagram at Crochet by Beb for more updates. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye!